Introducing TruBind's all-in-one VeloBind style binding machine, the TB-V30 for 1 to 2 inch pinned letter-size strips and a capacity for 22 sheets of 20-pound paper per punch. It's fully loaded with adjustable guides and other features to truly act as an all-in-one professional binding machine. Step 1. Plug in the power cord and turn on the power. Then insert a test document face up, adjust the punch guide, and pull down the lever for your first punch. Keep testing until you see clean and even holes. Step 2. Insert the bottom strip smooth side up into the tray and lock it in place with the tray's locating pin. Then place your project face up and adjust the bind edge guide to line the holes, then drop in the top strip. Step 3. Gently lift the pressure bar before pressing it down, then pull down the handlebar and keep it lowered for the next few seconds. You can hear the hot knife trim the needles as it bonds the two strips. When the light is off, your bind is complete. The project's now complete for you to enjoy, but not before you empty the waste bin. Thanks for watching another how-to video by Lamination Depot. Check out this machine and many other products at our one-stop shop, laminationdepot.com.